It's very blurry in Technicolor, like.
Hold it still for a minute.
I am. And he's not gonna do anything. So it's gonna be like a picture. He's just like, yeah, y'all think I'm gonna do something. But no, I might go to sleep on it. Yep, that's about all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to sleep. He's like, I know I'm being watched. He won't do anything now.
He knows you're filming him.
Ash took his pacifier out and it was like, He did not want to give it
You
up.
have to be careful with this thing if he broke it off.
Here.
Hey man, you heard me. He has. I heard my grandmama over there. I heard my grandmama over there.
Okay, don't fuss. Here.
Oh, Poot, come on, big Poot. That's what it is. He got gas and needs a Poot.